Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap is all about threads really. I do some screw cut in the lathe, I do some conventional threading in the lathe, I do the draw for the little back plunger DTI gauge that my friend Bob kind of donated. In fact, I might as well do that now because I'm home alone, so to speak, so we'll have a storage in here, so we'll find quite a few in here. Oh, right, that one hit the floor, so we'll use that one. Quite a few names came in this week actually. Right, all I've got's John P. There you go. Right John, all you have to do is send me an email with your address and I'll post this little DTI off to you anywhere in the world completely free of charge. I'm going to do another draw. This time it's for another DTI gauge. This time it's a boxed Mercer DTI. Once again it comes from my friend Bob. This is in really good condition. It's obviously been kept in a box. Nice and heavy, it's a proper job. Mercer. Made in England. If you want a chance at winning that, all you have to do is send me an email. That's my email up there. And all I need is your full name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes into the bucket. If it's drawn out, I'll post it off to you anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. As I keep saying, it's just a little way of me saying thank you for all the help and support I've had with this YouTube channel. I've got another tractor related job here for my friend Shane. It's a drawbar pin off one of his tractors. And he wants this pin here turned down to 15/16 and some threads put on the end. I'll probably put a metric thread on, probably that one there, which is 24mm, a nice coarse thread. Start off by probably mounting this end in the 4-jaw chuck, and it's already got a centre put in there for us. When they've machined it, they've put a centre in, so it should be quite easy to just set up. We'll get it set up in the lathe and see what sort of material it is, see how it's going to turn. The actual bolt part's going to fit in the chuck there, so I can put the centre in and actually hold it in place very nearly, so it should be sort of self-centering. And so that's going to hold it there, and you can see it's going to be running reasonably true anyway. I'll just put a little nip on each jaw. I'll clean that up and run a clock gauge on there, but I think it'll be running pretty true as it is. It's within 10th out, might as well get it right though. We'll find a high jaw, which is basically that one. You've got a little nip. High jaw again. Yeah, I think we'll settle for that. I want to take all the threads off in one go. Got 3.5 inches there, you want to fold and shoulder on it to it. I put a brand new insert into those cheap Banggood tools. See what sort of finish that puts on. Nothing the matter with that. I'm looking for 9375 and I've got 940 and 25 thou of it. We'll put a 10 thou cut on. It's very important on a shoulder like that you don't leave a sharp edge. It's got to have a nice fillet in it. I've got a little high-speed steel tool here which will just put a nice little fillet in there. Right, so that's put a nice little fillet radius in there. On crankshafts years ago, I used to use a double boost. But now I use a SNNC. It's a double boost. 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 It's a double boost If there's never fitted radius on there like that, they used to snap cranks. Quite important. Put the chamfer on there. And on the other end. I need to put a little recess for the screw cutting tool to stop into. 4.5 inches, that's there. Right, so now we'll set the lathe up and cut the thread there. I think it's a 3mm pitch. I'll measure the nut and make sure. This is a foam tip, proper foam tip for cutting the 3mm pitch. On a CNC machine, they just go straight in and cut the thread. On my machine, I'm going to put it in using the compound slide at an angle of 30 degrees, which is half the 60-degree thread angle. So it'll be advanced like that. So it's only cutting on the front edge of the tool. It's half the tool pressure. It's the old-fashioned way of doing it, but it's the way I like to do it, especially on quite a coarse thread like this. So the feed's put on with a compound slide like that. It cuts on the front of the tool. Once we get down to just about on size, I put a little bit of feed on with a top slide, and that'll finish off cutting the thread down to full depth. The tool's on centre height, that's set at 30 degrees. I just need to make sure that the tool is nice and square to the job. There's an easy way to do that. Right, nice and simple, couldn't be easier. Just put a square on there. As long as the square's touching the chuck and touching the tool, it can be nothing else except. Right, everything's set up. I'm going to touch the tool off. Right, zero the cross slide. There's a little bit of cut on. We'll engage the half nuts and start to cut the thread. Once it gets up to the gap, I can disengage the lead screw because it's a metric thread. I can start it anywhere. So wind the cross slide out, back to the beginning, cross slide back into zero, I need to start again. I'm just going to make sure that that is cutting the correct pitch before I go any further. Then it is cutting spot on 3mm. I can start the thread on any whole line. Keep your hand on there, you don't let go of it. Right, I think this will be the last cut. Nice clean sharp thread. That's nice. Not piss wobbly slack, but not binding. Just nice.